Hey everyone, I want to welcome you to howtosurf.co, and today we are going to be looking at how to backhand tube ride with your coach, me, Lauren Ringer. So number one, you need to grab your rail. Number two, you need to get your shoulders as square as you can once you have found your line. Number three, you need to use your arm, your hand, and your bottom to stall. And number four, you need to keep your eyes focused on the exit. Hey guys, let's get stuck into a surf video analysis now with Gabrielle Medina so we can break it down step by step so we can really understand what we need to do next time we're in a situation where we can go get barreled on our backhand. So the lip here is throwing over. He's aware of that because he's looking ahead and he needs to stall. So he needs to stall because he's going faster than the breaking wave. To stall, you need to put pressure on your back foot, as much pressure as you can, as that will lift up the board and that will help the board stall. Then once you're in a position and you're comfortable, grab your rail. You want to grab the rail between both of your feet. You also want to have both of your feet flat on the board, and your outer arm begins to either speed up by having it forward and leaning over your front foot, or if you want to stall as they're going too fast to the barrel, you can put it in the wall and you can drag with your arm, your bottom. And in this case, he pretty much uses his whole body, this part of his body, to stall, as this is a fast wave. So there you go, he puts all of that weight into the water to help him stall. The second thing we have spoken about is squaring at your shoulders, which he does here. He does that really well, and there's that nice square shoulders. He's nice and low. He's got a board that is shorter boards can give you an advantage because they can fit in these smaller pockets here. And the third thing, like we just spoke about, is the drag. He's dragging all of his weight into the wall so that he can allow himself to slow down, so he can get a little bit deeper in the pocket, in the barrel. And the fourth thing is his eyes are looking the entire time at his exit, and he's using that outer arm as a guide to see whether he needs to slow it down or speed up. He's nice and low with his body position, and he has got full control over his board. And that, guys, is how to ride a backhand barrel. Thank you so much.